Welcome back, people, to another trade recap, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how I am down $792 on my Express account, and I'm actually up way too much on the fresh evaluation that I bought earlier. Today I ended up taking back-to-back losses on my Express account, which is not fun, but I did the best thing possible of just locking myself out of my account so that I cannot deal any more damage to myself. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video, and here are the executions to start things off. They are not sexy. I am not proud of the trades that I took today. I jumped on the markets with no bias, just purely wanting to get a max profit day on my evaluation, which I definitely did. I actually blew a combine before I bought this one, then I bought this one, then I got way too much profit, bro. Way too much profit. I'm up $2,400. That means I have to make like an extra 1.8K to pass this account, which is definitely going to be a pretty hard task, but it's actually not a good thing. But let's just forget about that. On the Express account, hopped on the charts. I do not have a bias for today. Price moved up 880 points in one candle. I mean, I've seen more than that within 1 minute, but that's not the point. The point is the fact that price went up so much, sweeping out 3 previous day highs, that it's like, are there any more draws on liquidity on the table today? Definitely not. Unless you're scalping, you are not going to find the cleanest price action, not going to find the cleanest entry model. You're not going to hit TP straight away. Like, price is just not going to work like that. So, entering today without a bias, taking shorts off of no confluences and then getting stopped out in longs isn't good. But as I said at the start, my main problem with my trading for the past 8 months has been I've been blowing up all of my progress within one singular day because I could not hold a loss. Today I took 2 losses in a row. Today I'm down $750. I'm going to take that on the chin and just push forward because I understand that I'm profitable in the long run. I understand that my model works. I understand that all that I need to do is just not fall back into the habits and the actions of just blowing everything up in 1 second. So as I said earlier, this ain't going to be the most interesting video, but regardless, how I'm looking at the markets right now is, since price has pushed to the upside so bloody much, it sparks the opportunity for price to continue to the upside. That is mainly because if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that market maker sell model was filled 2 weeks ago. So in the past 3 weeks, there's been some pretty important structural moves in the markets. For about 2 months, price was consolidating. Now that price has swept out this market maker sell model, aka November's low, price then reacted to the upside last week. Last week, as anticipated, price actually went to the downside, sweeping out its own previous week low, which means that now that price has filled the market maker sell model, it has put in an S&T with September's low. It has manipulated people's stop losses internally to the downside, meaning that entry model wise, we've got an S&T on the table. Price is manipulated to the downside. Price has got all of the reason to go to the upside. It's got all of the reason to take out high time frame, low resistance liquidity. All that we need to see now is a high time frame closure on either the daily time frame or the 4-hour time frame. Currently, in that 6 a.m. candle print, price inversed 1, 2, 3, 4. It inversed 4 bearish for value gaps, which is showing us clear signs of bearish disrespect. It's showing us that price wants to continue to the upside. Now, at last, all that we need to see is a closure above either these highs, just a closure above these highs, and then I'm completely bullish. So that's exactly how I'm looking at the markets. today, is it worth it, me recapping how I took those losses? Absolutely not, because yeah, I'm not proud of them. They shouldn't have been taken, but I've got to take it on the chin. So I know it wasn't the most interesting of videos. Hopefully tomorrow will be. I mean, it is all dependent on kind of how the markets move within the next like 20 hours or so. So thank you for watching the video, and I will see you tomorrow.